Team Happy, how you doing? Welcome, 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 Team Happy members. Don't forget to push that thumbs up button. How you guys doing today? Welcome to Drive Time. Whew. Welcome guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. How you guys doing today? Welcome Princess AGTV. Type something. I did that. There you go. Welcome these people. Huh? Said they're gone now.
But you're not talking.
Drive time.
Okay, drive time. Ask them a question. I can't tell you how to do this.
Oh shit. Forgot to see. Who cares? It's plastic. Paper.
No, they don't check the seal. Huh?
They don't care if they do it well.
Oh, you're ironing. Ironing clothes?
Oh. Okay.
Blind as a bat.
Oh, you ironing clothes. Okay, that's cool. How's the weather over there? It's nice and sunny here. Got a few clouds in the sky, but it's not a threat. Nothing to worry about.
Out of jail.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you're in uniform. Okay. So I guess they have to wear a uniform to school. How's the weather over there? As you can see, it's a very nice day today. give you a better
midnight.
view.
It's nighttime over there. 12 midnight.
Oh, woo! Oh my God! And you're up. That's pretty late. Thank you. I appreciate you coming. That's why everybody's sleeping now. So now I know to come on in the evening when it's morning there. I really appreciate you coming. And we plan to visit the Philippines maybe next year with Team Happy next trip. To do a meet and greet. Trying to give you a better angle of the road and an up close in person. I really appreciate you being here. It's a little bumpy over here. This right now. You didn't know you could do up close, bring it in more?
Yeah.
That's something new.
No. Wow, that's great, sir. Nice to hear that also.
Thank you. I have to follow the speed limit. I have to slow down up here.
This is what you're like.
It's shaky. Of course. But it's pretty good though. I brought it up personal. Like that part. Let me see.
Welcome everybody. I don't know why he wants me to talk on his
Thank
live,
you.
but
Go ahead.
you know, hey, it is what it is.
Jonesboro.
But welcome. We're in Valdosta, Georgia. Heading to, we're not going out of state. Tell them, man.
Well, right now we're heading to Homersville, Georgia to pick up a load and head to Morrow, Georgia. That's right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. And after we pick it up, we're going to drop it off there and then head home.
You got the perfect name in it. The amazing M&G.
An amazing M&G. How you doing, sister? God bless you. God bless you. Taking you guys for a little drive time. I'm going to pick up a load, so I'm bringing you guys with me. I appreciate you coming.
Your girl Lala.
Hey, Lala. What's going on, baby girl? Yeah, welcome to Drive Time. I'm heading up the road here to go pick up a load and head to up by Atlanta. Then I head home, tired. Been out here since Sunday night. I appreciate you coming over. I missed you. I missed you this morning, but I think I caught the light. No, I didn't miss you. I didn't miss you. I caught you. I thought it was gonna be a replay.
Joanne says she's getting sleepy. She's gonna
Okay. Thank you, Team Happy member. Have a good night.
Taylor family.
Taylor family, big up yourself. I love those reviews you guys are doing. Big up wifey, big up wifey.
She said, Lala said, you caught her.
Yeah, I caught you this morning. Oh, Lala, I send you my number. We can talk about that thing we were talking about before. Or if you have any questions. I also wanted to ask you something too. You could IG me your number, Lala.
You calling on IG?
We're heading to Homersville, Georgia.
She said she'll let you know when they're ready.
Okay. I really appreciate that. And well, you could call me when you get a chance. Talk about it. Oh man, I'm tired already. Maybe I just need to sleep in my bed. That's why. Blessings always, brother.
I'm doing great, Lala. Thank you for asking. How are you today on this beautiful Thursday afternoon? Thank you for asking.
I decided to do a close-up on, to zoom in so you guys get to see the road a little better. I think this looks good.
Hello, amazing M and G. How are you doing on this beautiful Thursday? I hope all is well with you and your family.
I'm about 5 minutes away from where I have to go.
Oh, so you found it in there?
No.
Thank you, same to you.
Taylor family, I want to find out, did you see your channel growing from you guys starting to do reaction video? Because a lot of people they're turning their channel into reaction videos now.
Isaac family.
Isaac family, blessings and respect. How you doing? Thanks for coming over. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, please, or double tap your screen and the thumbs up will pop up. When I get up here, I'm going to show you guys how they make these places so hard for truck drivers. Should be there in a few minutes. Thanks for that thumbs up. Appreciate it. appreciate it. Really appreciate you guys.
So they don't do the holiday like we do. The holiday is coming up on Monday.
No. No. Yeah, each country has their own holiday.
So when's y'all next holiday?
Tell the family, when is the next holiday in Jamaica?
That means you don't know.
Oh, M&G, when is the next holiday in Jamaica?
That means you don't know. You asking them, but you don't know.
I don't. I'm not gonna sit here and lie.
Oh, you're on your way to get lunch. Lala's on her way to get lunch.
Bring me some, Lala. Or get me some. Alright, this place should be coming up soon. Minutes away. I don't know what I was thinking about.
Thinking about it?
What's for lunch today, Lala?
I'm gonna get grilled chicken, ground rice, and beans, and sweet plantain.
Nice. Cuban?
Cuban what?
Sounds like Cuban meal.
At Polo something.
There you go. You know what I'm talking
Speak it, talk it. Walk it like you're talking.
about. It sounds so good. Woo! Last weekend I did some grilling and brought some food. So I warmed up some this morning.
Now your ass got the itis.
Yeah, I got the hiatus right now. And the rest of it I'm bringing back home. Because I went to the supermarket and man, I got like 4 grocery bags and it came up to over $100. I couldn't believe it. That's why it's good to grow your own stuff.
Say yes, cute.
I know. My daddy's Cuban.
David family says I am in the kitchen cooking some curry chicken with dumplings and banana.
Why you have to come up here, Taylor family, and tell me that? Now you're making me hungry again.
You just greedy.
I ain't greedy.
You are.
That's a...
You
know,
greedy.
Listen. Some curry chicken with some boiled dumplings.
You
Oh
just
my
ate
God.
a big old thing of steak and chicken.
No, my steak is down there.
Him greedy.
Yo, right now, that curry chicken and dumpling and banana, can't go wrong with that, Bridget. You know, that's our only meal.
Hey, we are in Valdosta, but we're
No, we left Valdosta. We're heading to Homersville, Georgia, to pick up a load. And after we go to Homersville, pick it up in Homersville, we're gonna go right outside of Atlanta, Georgia, to deliver it. And that's about 4 hours away.
the big Irvine.
Ooh.
what she said.
Yeah.
Go ahead. You know how to do it.
Scroll down. Second one. All right.
What she said.
What she said, how you doing? Hey, what she said, if you don't have these people that's up here, feel free to grab them. And people, I'm the first Jamaican that she's known. So over here, you're gonna meet a lot more Jamaicans, what she said. And you're gonna see how good and great our people are. We're good supporters. The amazing M&G, Lala, the Taylor family, the Isaac family. Just grab everybody that's here and let them know you're coming from over here, and you'll see all the support you get.
And now, you met A.G. Born.
That's right.
Now you got a whole bunch of other.
I'm gonna introduce it to. This is my YouTube Jamaican family.
Yes, you can definitely. Hey,
Mad Hatter, what's going on, brother? You too, Mad Hatter.
You gotta make him a model.
You could
In order for him to
link with anybody that's here. Welcome to my YouTube Jamaican family.
Yes, we are. Hope you're having a great day too. I know you're at work. Almost the weekend. 3-day weekend.
What she said in Mad Hatter, please check out all the people that's here. They're very good supporters. We call this Little Jamaica family. The Little Jamaica family right here.
Yes, you're a tool now. You got the blue coat.
All right, people, we're in Homersville, Georgia, and where I'm picking up is right up here. What's the name of this place again?
She said she did. Lala said she didn't get a chance to finish watching your video yesterday.
That's cool.
In the lighthouse.
Oh, all right. This is where I'm going, people. They make paint cans here. This load is going to Sherwin-Williams so they could fill up the cans with paint.
Oh man, the food truck ain't here today. What time did we come in yesterday? And the food truck was here.
I don't remember.
Darn it. Maybe they don't come on Thursdays.
Give me a second. Let's see. There goes the name. Look at this.
M-A-U Mayuza?
Yeah.
Morning, morning, morning.
Save it for me, please.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I got to climb over the seat, climb to the next seat. Oh, yeah, we're at the place. The last time we was here, they had a food truck. Their food was good, too. It was very, very good. M-A-U-S-E-R. Save. I was hoping that they had the food here. That's what she said. Subscribe, everyone. Let me see. Just saw Lala. I am in need of some help learning how to plant. Yep. Happiness to love to everyone. Ah. All right, he's coming back. Back, back, back.
You saved it?
Yes.
Gracias. Alright. This place here, people, I don't know, is a big, big, big company. And the amount of potholes that they have in this place is ridiculous. This place here will jerk your life out when you're driving after I turn this corner here. I don't know why they don't fix this place. And look at this idiot. Why would he park there?
Because he's an idiot.
Why would he park?
Because he's trying to park. Because he's trying to get in,
Yeah,
set
but-
himself up for right there.
Jesus Christ.
But would have to be a black man.
Unbelievable. He could have backed down a little bit.
Hold on.
What was that, driver?
Jingleberry Hill.
Here. All these potholes. Remind me of the roads in Jamaica. You have to dodge the potholes.
You used to this then.
Right over here. Look over here, people. Look at this. Look at this. You're gonna see the truck or the camera moving. There's the potholes I'm falling in.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Right there. Lord. Woo. This will jerk your life out.
Yeah, man, look, I'm holding on to the damn door.
Alright. We ain't done yet.
If I didn't hold on to the door, I would be, it'll throw me out the seat.
And I mean, this is a place that they have money and they can't fix the place.
They're
Fix
not
it up.
gonna do that.
Oh,
That's the wrong thing to do. Look like they done tried and it failed. So they said forget it.
oh God. sorry for the shaking, people.
Yeah, I mean, hey, they're not gonna fill these potholes because it's dirt. They tried to do it with filling it up with rocks and stuff like that, but you gotta know that these trucks are heavy, and the products that they put in these trailers are heavy as well.
Well, not over here.
So them fixing the potholes here is a waste of time and money. And they found that out when they put all them rocks in here, and now you barely see the rocks in the dirt. They're not gonna fix it. They just figure, hey, just go slow, and that's it.
Alright.
I'm drop this trailer. Ooh, my shoes. These potholes are bad. I thought you said you don't wear your shoes
Come-
outside.
These.
What you want me to do? You want me to get out the truck? Oh my God, really?
You know what?
Hey,
That's why
Hey.
I take your
I'm trying to show you guys the ins and outs. So, I don't have a camera person, that's why I'm bringing her with me. I gotta drop this trailer. Where is she?
Look, why he got me out here working? This is not my job. Look at this. I got my sweatshirt on because it's cold inside the truck, and now he wants me to show y'all this. This is not right. He's not supposed to roll that like that because he can hit his face. So he needs to roll it the right way. You gonna try to be like that when you get married? Yeah, Lala, I can. What? Oh, it messed up. I know, teamwork, make it teamwork. That's why I get the Google's money. The Google's check. Now,
No, no. Give me my pen.
did you get a phone call or something when you out there?
No.
Okay, you get yourself.
Mic check.
You're on.
All right. I'm gonna walk down and get my bills.
Hold that window, please.
Let me get a pen. And just hang on. I'll be right back. I gotta go get the bill of ladings.
So, he was muted the whole time. But thank you guys for being here. Please, if you haven't already, hit that like button. You can tap on the three dots to your right of your phone and it'll take you to the like portion, or you can double tap the phone and it'll take you there as well. Yep, all you gotta do is hit those three dots. Thank you, Taylor. Or double tap on your phone. Hello. He went to go get his paperwork, but this is the wifey. Hello, how you doing? It's Al. How you doing? Thank you for coming. If you haven't already, thank you for hitting the like button. This is a drive along, or drive time as he calls it. I call mine ride along, so. Yeah, my husband, he went inside, so you'll hear his voice when he comes back. But yeah.
All right. Ah.
I thought you said you don't wear those shoes outside the truck.
Huh?
I thought you said you don't wear those shoes outside the truck.
No, I do.
No.
Because it's a lot of trouble putting those on back and forth.
I've
Back
seen
and
you
forth.
wear those shoes.
Okay. All right, I'm back. It's Ali. How you doing, my brother? Okay. All right. Inbound trailer. I just want to pick up my bill of lading, which has the shipping, the quantity, the address, and has to have a bill of lading number or the third party. Sorry, I'm here doing did I drop the trailer? Yes. Weight is supposed to be 15,000 pounds, very light.
He said hi. He's good.
Love your videos, man. Love your videos. I'm gonna come pick some of them fruits one day. 232. See you. All right. Let me see what time. Whew, it's hot out there. It's 92 degrees. Whew. I am ready to go. Lots of time it's not this easy. A lot of times we have to get loaded. This is what you call a preloaded trailer. So we have to sit sometimes. The longest, matter of fact, I've been to this place and I've got here 11 in the morning and I didn't leave until 9 at night. Because they had to live load me. Alright. I have to wait till this gate open. And I'm on my way to Atlanta, Georgia. Come on up, buddy, because I need that name. Come on up. I'm not going to cut you off. Come on up. Come on up, buddy. Come on, driver. There you go.
More people came in.
Guys, thanks for coming in. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Welcome to drive time. I am 3 hours and 48 minutes away from Atlanta. Whenever you hear that little beep, 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 that means the guy in front of me is going slower than me. So I have to adjust my speed. Okay. See what he's doing?
You talking about them doubles?
Let me see something.
Those are doubles.
Yeah, but I'm looking at the size of the doubles. Okay, they're legal. When they turn the corner, it look like 253 foot. He's not going far, that's right.
Yeah, we got 3 hours. We're in Georgia right now.
We're on the bottom of Georgia. We're going in the middle of Georgia. And this is the countryside.
This is the Florida side.
That
I mean, it's close to.
Yeah, we're
Is it
closer.
not close to Florida?
We're
Yes,
closer
no?
to Florida.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're closer to Florida. But right back in these parts right here. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. It's nothing but farms and, like I said, it's the countryside.
We say safe travel.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, we're doing some things. Soon I might lose signal. Like I said, we're in the back country.